Hello guys, and welcome back to Two Brothers Outdoors. I'm Rick, and this is a continuation of the project that was on the last video. On the last video, I was pretty much whipped when I went in the house that night. Everything fought me, from the engine not running to the welder running out of wire. But on a good note, after I had dinner, I got back out here and I welded a little piece of metal on here. I will show you what I welded. Hold on just a minute. All right, so I came back outside and I welded this piece of metal on here. I put it together last night. These two pieces of angle iron, this flat plate, and this bolt right here. Any ideas what I'm doing yet? Hang tight and I'll show you. Don't go away. Okay, so I purposely blacked you out there so you couldn't see what I was doing here. I do not have any idea how this is going to work. This is just one of those harebrained ideas I got. Since I'm retired, got a little time on my hands, I can do projects like this. Tim and I talked about this Saturday and thought it was a good idea. So we got on Amazon, eBay, started ordering parts. All right, are you ready to find out what I got? Watch this. All right, first thing I'm going to have to do is start this engine up. I'll let that warm up. I'll be right back. I may be asking for trouble. I don't know what's going to happen. Haven't tried it yet. You're going to be the first to see it. I'm going to be the first to try it. Hey, look at that. Is that a point or what? I have it set up for 5/4 by 5/4, which is, these are 1 inch by 1.25 inches. So they're going to be off a little bit, but hey, that wasn't bad at all. What do you think, guys? 3.5 horse engine.
Really good right here.
All right, guys, so
You know what I'm saying?
Tim has come home from work. I made a couple of minor adjustments here. We're going to start it up and let him try it, see what he thinks.
That does a good job.
What do you think?
I like it. We didn't even have to waste any electricity with that, did we?
Nope.
Just some gas.
And killed the...
So what are you going to do for a boat motor?
I got a regular bow motor.
Oh, yeah, you do. They got the 5 horse, huh?
So, let me bring you over here and show you what we got.
Yeah, that works good.
Now we could drill another hole to make this 1.5 inches. This is 1.25 inches right here.
Yeah.
So if we drill another hole higher, we can make it 1.5 inches.
Well, what do you think? I think we should just stay with a 5/4 by 5/4.
I think 5/4 by 5/4 is going to be the way to go. But I'm just saying, if we get
Somebody wants an 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches.
we can do it. All right, guys, let me bring you over here and show you what we got.
Yeah. Stuck in the ground pretty good.
Yeah, I've been working
Hard on it,
hard on this.
I guess.
All right, so that is the sharpener right there. We bought this one on Amazon. They're like $129, made by Lumberjack Tools ST2000E. They have a 2500 that goes up to 3 inch, I think.
Ooh.
So, but that's quite a bit more money. So I'm going to check all these bolts, make sure everything's tight, and what do you think?
I like it. I think we're in business. Dang, you did a good job on that too.
We got to paint it. I'll let you paint it. I don't care. I've been busy. You're going to paint it.
What color?
I don't care. Any color.
I'm not touching the motor. That's staying green. That's mean green. Yeah, take this off so we didn't get paint on that. And it's portable.
All right, guys. Thanks for coming along with us on this one. And this project is complete except for the paint.
2 brothers approved.
Except for the paint, and that's going to be him.
Come on now.
All
I
right,
work.
guys.
I still work for a living.
Oh, I stay home for a living.
Well, you want to fabricate, so knock
All right,
yourself
guys. Thanks for coming along with us. We will catch you later.
out. Bye-bye now.
Tomato steaks away!